Hello everyone, so let's see how we can clone the GitLab private repository using the Git Bash or command prompt on the local machine. So let's try to clone this private project. So open command prompt or Git Bash on your local machine. So for cloning any repository, we need to use this git command, git clone space https. Okay, we are going to use the https method for cloning. After that, we need to provide your account username. Okay, GitLab account username. And colon. So after the colon, we need to provide personal access token for authentication purpose. So we need to create personal access token in the GitLab now. So in the preferences, we have this access token option. So click on add new token, give some name to your token and select expiration date as per your requirement. So from the scope section, we will require API, read API, then read user. And for write operation, we will require write repository. Click on create personal access token. So click on copy personal access token in the Git Bash, paste it @ our server is gitlab.com / and now provide your path to your private repository in the GitLab. So this is our path and at the end .git. Okay, this is the complete command for cloning any private repository in the GitLab on the local machine. Hit enter. So by default, all the projects will be cloned at the user's location. So this is our project. So we can clone the project at some specific location as per our choice on the local machine. So we just need to use the same command, but after this command at the end, we need to specify at what location you want to clone the project on the local machine. Okay, so by default it has cloned at the user's location. For example, I want to clone it on my desktop. So this will be my folder name, my git1, and inside this folder all the files will be copied. So cloning is done and you can see this is the folder created and we got all the files from the GitLab private repository. So in case you don't want to specify this folder name, you can still clone this repository on the desktop. Okay, so for that purpose, you need to move to desktop first using cd command. I'm going to use the same command, but this time I don't need to provide this location. So it will create folder with the same name as that of our project in the GitLab. So this is the folder that got created. So this is how you can clone the GitLab private repository by using the Git Bash or command prompt. So same command will work in the command prompt as well. Okay, so git clone, then provide https, then provide your username, your personal access token value @ gitlab.com, and then provide the URL of your private GitLab repository.